I just cleaned or raked this area, and look at these guys are at it. I don't know what it is about that dirt right there. They just love to bathe or play in it. I don't know what they're doing. It looks like they're bathing, you know? That's exactly how it looks when they're in the water. But look at, they actually go up, they turn upside down. Some of them actually turn upside down. They're actually fighting for a spot. And they dig these little holes. I mean, there's nothing in the holes, but I don't know. I think they just pick up that finer dirt and cleanse themselves. I think. I don't know. If anybody knows what is actually going on or what's happening here, chime in. Please let me know. I'm curious. Um, it's just this raw, soft dirt. There's nothing there. There's no rocks. So I think that's why they're doing it. But if somebody knows, look at that one. That one turned upside down. I don't know if you saw that. And they actually even fight for a spot. All right, let me know. Let me know what you think they're doing. Thank you. It seems territorial.